चीज क्या बताई थी? मैंने आपको पहली चीज क्या बताई थी? दैट वेन एवर यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू राइट अ स्पीच, यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज योर टॉपिक। ठीक है, आपके टॉपिक का जो एग्जैक्ट पोर्शन है वो चीज आपका मेन बॉडी में आएगा। ठीक है, जैसे आई हैव टोल्ड यू द स्ट्रक्चर ना, फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, देन बॉडी, देन इन कंक्लूजन। तो बॉडी में आपका वही चीज आएगा जो एग्जैक्टली आपके टॉपिक में रेफर किया गया है। ओके, जो इधर उधर की कुछ कुछ बातें हैं वो सारी चीजें इफ यू वांट टू ऐड, बट डोंट मेक इट टू लेंदी। ठीक है, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू टू मच इंफॉर्मेशन बोर्डम हो जाएगा। ओके, सो टू सॉरी, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? I believe is there timing given? Come in. If there's no timing given, then you can at least prepare for 5 to 6 minutes. ओके, मिनिमम 5 to 6 मिनट आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। एंड कीप रेडी फॉर मटेरियल फॉर 10 मिनट्स। आप 10 मिनट्स तक का मटेरियल रेडी करिए एंड 5 to 6 मिनट का अपना एक स्पीच तैयार करिए, सो दैट इफ एट लास्ट आपको बोला जाए एक्सटेंड करने के लिए 10 मिनट तक, यू कैन एड द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट। ओके, वन मोर थिंग, जैसे कि मैं कह रही थी, टू मच इंफॉर्मेशन विल गेट बोर्डम। सो इंफॉर्मेशन मिक्स्ड विद समथिंग, स्टोरी और कोटेशंस जो हैं, इन सब चीजों में अगर मिक्स हो, जैसे अगर आप द लास्ट स्टूडेंट, कैन यू हेयर माय वॉइस? ओके, could one of you log in your mobile phone so that you will be able to hear my voice? Okay, come in. सो एज आई वाज सेइंग, अगर आपको लाइक लिखने के लिए जो दिया गया है टॉपिक जो है वो आपका, आप 5 मिनट तक के लिए पूरा स्पीच तैयार करिए एंड कीप अ मटेरियल फॉर साइड। ओके, 10 मिनट्स का आप साइड में मटेरियल तैयार रखिए, सो दैट इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू लाइक स्पीक फॉर 10 मिनट्स, यू कैन ऐड द इंफॉर्मेशन। yes, about the information, the data that you collect। ठीक है, जैसे कि आपका टॉपिक है बिहार पे लिखने के लिए, राइट? सो बिहार इज योर ओन स्टेट, everyone from is present here is belong to Bihar, right? So you have your own story about the development and the downfall of Bihar, right? आपके पास, yes, I believe you have to speak without looking on the paper. It will be much better. In fact, I'll show you one video what difference it creates if you don't like speak. ठीक है, क्योंकि स्पीच क्या होती है, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज डिफरेंट देन रीडिंग। आपको रीड नहीं करना है, यू हैव टू गिव अ स्पीच। okay, so speech is nothing but an interaction between the speaker and the audience. okay, it's a conversation. Rather than conversing with one person, you are conversing with all the audience, whoever is present here. okay, so instead of like creating a reading like news reading or like a reporter report telling, so आपको क्या करना है, आपको इंटरेक्शन की तरह, जैसे आप किसी को कन्वर्स कर रहे हो, किसी को बता रहे हो, आपको उस तरह स्पीच लिखनी है कि लोगों का इंटरेस्ट बना पड़े। मैंने ये चीज आपको पहले भी बताई है, यू हैव टू gather the data in keeping the mind of who your audience are. okay, online students, are you able to hear my voice? Yes, Abhishek, yes, you want to ask something? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, I was unable to attend the session of directors. Ma'am, can you please explain me what directors have said about how we have to prepare the topic?
Your voice is not audible here.
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, I was unable to join the session due to network issue.
Speak so that I know there's no fault in my side.
Excuse me, ma'am.
क्लास में कोई सुन रहा है तो बोलो एक बार, मैम के पास आवाज नहीं जा रहा होगा, प्लीज हेल्प।
Okay, now speak.
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, you're audible now. Okay, so Abhishek, what were you saying?
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, I was unable to join the session of directors, sir. So, ma'am, I was not. Okay. I am not knowing that what directors have said actually that day.
Yes, so I'm repeating. That's what I'm repeating here. That the director say,
yes,
sir gave you a topic that Bihar's glorious past of Bihar and its downfall. Okay, this is the topic. So you have to prepare a speech, chart paper based speech, right? Yes. So you have to prepare a chart paper and then you have to deliver a speech on this topic. Okay. One more thing, if you are preparing a chart paper, volume कम कर लीजिए, वॉल्यूम कम कर लीजिए, जो भी लॉगिन किया है वॉल्यूम कर लीजिए। ओके, सो इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग द चार्ट पेपर, ओके, तो आपके चार्ट पेपर में इट शुड बी मोर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव देन इंफॉर्मेटिव. आपको इंफॉर्मेशन तो बोल ही रहे हैं आप स्पीच में, राइट? So you don't have to give more information in the chart paper. You have to demonstrate Bihar ka kuch bhi. You can make a scenery of Bihar. You can make a something that usually people visit when they come in Bihar, right? You have to be, the chart paper should be demonstrative. Okay, उस पे pictures ज़्यादा रहें ताकि आपकी audience देख सके वो, and they will listen to you about when you tell something about the chart paper, what's drawn in the chart paper. Okay. Did you get my point? It would be better because if you write something on the chart paper, first thing you're, yes, but yes, like that. Because if you write something on your chart paper, it will not be visible to all of your audience, right? अगर आप चार्ट पेपर पे कुछ लिखेंगे, कितना भी आप बड़ा लिख दिए, पीछे तक अगर ऑडियंस रहेगी तो उनको नहीं दिखेगा, राइट? सो इट्स बेटर इफ यू डोंट राइट, एक पिक्चर टॉक करें, बिकॉज पिक्चर विल बी मोर विजिबल एंड देन यू कैन एक्सप्लेन द पिक्चर इन योर स्पीच. गेट माय पॉइंट? ओके, अभिषेक, यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग?
Ma'am, what will be the exact title that we are going to use here?
I told you the exact title. Title. That will be the glorious past of Bihar and its downfall.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the submission? Ma'am, last question.
Ma'am,
what is the last submission date? Ma'am, what is the last submission date?
Last submission date?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there a date mentioned? No, there's no
yes,
date mentioned. I believe it will be better if you prepare like within this week, because next week your exam, like internal exams will be there. So it's better if you prepare within this week, okay? So that
Okay,
if there's any correction, I can do the corrections before the exams, right?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, someone else was saying something. Does anyone else have a question they want to ask?
Hello, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, during the coming internal exam, ma'am, online mode is totally closed.
Yes, the internal exam will be on offline mode only.
No online mode.
No, there will be no online mode test. The internal assessment will be your offline. You have to come to college to give them. Okay. You have been given 1 week. If you are far away from here, you can come here for the assessment period. Okay. Okay. Anyone else here in the offline students? आपको कोई डाउट है?
मैम एग्जाम कहाँ पे होगा?
कॉलेज में बच्चे, कॉलेज में होगा.
सीमेज में या पाटलिपुत्रम?
That exactly will be told when आपका schedule जब निकलेगा, and then you'll be told where with the exam will be held. Okay. Yes. Anyone else having any doubt? Yes.
Ma'am,
just a second, Ravi, just a second. Yes. No, that's what I'm telling. If you write something against the picture, then the written thing will not be more visible to your audience. Okay. Only the picture, if you make big pictures are more visible. आपकी जो audience है वो ज्यादा दूर तक आपकी पिक्चर्स दिखेंगी. आप अगर कितना भी बड़ा फॉन्ट में लिखेंगे, आपकी ऑडियंस या तो समझ नहीं पाएगी या तो देख नहीं पाएगी. सो इट्स बेटर इफ यू ड्रॉ समथिंग बिग इन योर चार्ट पेपर एंड देन यू कैन एक्सप्लेन दैट थिंग इन योर स्पीच. गेट माय पॉइंट? हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. यू हैव टू टॉक जैसे मैंने कहा, स्पीच इज नथिंग बट द कॉन्वर्सेशन. सो यू हैव टू कन्वर्स अबाउट द थिंग दैट यू विल बी ड्रॉइंग इन योर चार्ट पेपर. ओके. Okay.
Which type of questions coming in this exam?
As director sir have sent a message, it will be 100 marks for your speaking. So you have to maybe if you can prepare a speech, but it would be better if I be giving random topics to speak in class. Okay. If you're coming to class here, then you can give random you can come up here and talk about random things, the topics that I will be given. The topics will be easy, so you don't have to worry. But if you prepared a speech beforehand, okay, it will also be accepted. ठीक है? if you're not able to speak about the random topic, आपको ज़्यादा nervousness हो रही है because randomly topic दिया गया है, even though अगर मैं उस time आपको topic दे रही हूँ, I will be giving you 5 minutes to prepare still, okay? So if you're still not comfortable, prepare a speech in spare so that you can come up here and speak. One more thing, speech, if you are preparing, you are not allowed to like read the speech. You have to deliver the speech without looking. Okay? Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मैम एग्जाम सब लोगों का होगा कि वर्कशॉप या ये पाइथन वाला लोग का होगा?
पाइथन का अलग एग्जाम होगा बच्चे. पाइथन, the students who have registered in Python, they will be having an examination so that they can get certifications. If you are not registered, then you wouldn't be having an examination for Python.
Is this
Ma'am,
semester exam for bridge too?
Bridge internal exam assessment है आपका. You have to come here and like the senior students are giving the internal examination, you would also have internal examination in all the subjects that you have been taught about from 1 month, more than 1 month. Okay.
ओके मैम.
मैम
Okay.
कब तक रहेगी एग्जाम? 1 ही मंथ तक ना?
मतलब आपको जो अब तक पढ़ाया गया है, बेसिस ऑन दैट आपको टेस्ट लिया जाएगा, जो भी आपके टीचर्स ने अभी तक पढ़ाया आपको ब्रिज बैच में.
Wow.
मैम सितंबर
Okay, one person at a time.
मैम सितंबर अक्टूबर तक नहीं ना रहेगा एग्जाम? मतलब 10 तक में खत्म ना हो
No,
जाएगा?
no. Your exams would be from 14 to 21st. 14 to 21st, in between your examination with internal assessment will be there. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, 16th or 14th?
14th, I believe. Yes,
मैम
14th.
तो 14 मतलब मैम 14 तो पाइथन वाले का ना होगा?
Arey, I'm not exactly telling you the date. I'm telling you between 14 to 21st, your internal examination will be held. Okay.
मैम 16 से है मैम.
Arey, I'm not telling you the
हम
exact.
लोग का
I'm not telling you the exact date. I'm telling you the time between this period you will be having the examination.
मैम कंप्यूटर.
So first thing that I
मैम
would
आप
like
अपना
to.
कैमरा ठीक कीजिए ना, आप कैमरा रेंज के बाहर जा रहे हैं.
1 minute. Now is it thing?
थोड़ा सा और मैम.
Just a second. Okay.
भाई तू देखने आता है कि पढ़ने आता है भाई?
Ash, done. Okay, so first thing where we left is अभी तक मैंने क्या बताया speech के लिए? You have to, how to prepare content, that you have to analyze your audience and know what they want. Only then that data is more like relatable to your audience, will be more better to use in your speech. ठीक है? So next thing what we'll learn is what types of speeches are there. ठीक है, कितने टाइप के आपके स्पीच होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ स्पीच इज सेलिब्रेटरी स्पीच, जो आपकी सेलिब्रेशंस में दी जाती है. जैसे आपका 15 अगस्त हो गया, right? Your 15 August speech, your like nowadays Western culture has been implementing here. So marriages speeches are common nowadays, and birthday speeches, like these occasions that are special for someone and you're speaking about them, or about some stories that you want to relate to the person, right? So and that is called your occasional speech or your ceremonial speech. Okay. So next type of speech is your demonstrative. What is demonstration? Can anyone tell me what is demonstration? See, demonstration is when someone tells you what exactly, how exactly something works. Yes, something like that. Like if you're given a demonstration class, how to use C++ or Python, right? These are demonstrative class. You are told to how to use the software. Okay, you are taught to how to write the codings, etc. Okay, so whenever you are learning something from the speech, that is called demonstrative speeches. Okay, so next type is your informative speeches. Okay, informative speeches are just for giving you information. जैसे आपके press conferences होते हैं, right? Politicians and or the police officers give like speech press conferences on some topics, right? And आपका like COVID situation में a lot of information was given by PM Minister, Prime Minister and other officials. RBI के कुछ अगर rules change हो रहे हैं, so they held a press conference for that. So these things, when information is only passed on to you, ठीक है, कोविड से आप कैसे बच सकते हैं, ठीक है, क्या क्या आपके सिम्टम्स हो सकते हैं, यू हैव टू रश टू द हॉस्पिटल फॉर देम. सो दीज थिंग्स व्हेन ओनली इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन टू यू, that is called informative speech. Okay, last is your persuasion speech. Persuasion, what is persuasion? Sorry, persuasion is when you make someone believe in something or make someone do something that you want them to do. Like for example, if like politician gives speech when they want votes during the time of election, right? They persuade you to vote for them, right? वो बताते हैं कि हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, आप हमको वोट दे दीजिए, राइट? या फिर इफ लॉयर इज saying something in front of the jury to like persuade them that what I am saying is true and my case is truer or my case is right. Okay, so these things when you persuade something, जब आप किसी को कुछ करने के लिए मोटिवेट करते हैं तो वो persuasion कहलाता है, ठीक है? बिकॉज ऑफ यू, अगर मैं आपको परसुए करूं कि आप इंग्लिश में लिखिए, आप इंग्लिश में स्पीच दीजिए, ठीक है, तब आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी होगी. इफ यू आर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दैट दोज थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ, देन माय स्पीच वुड बी persuasion speech, right? Get my point? Any doubts? Yes, that comes under persuasion speech. Okay, that is a type of persuasion speech. Like अगर किसी को motivation देना है for weight loss, किसी को motivation देना है that they should not be ashamed of their body shape. If you want to like motivate someone to get successful in life, not to give up, ठीक है? These things are when you persuade someone to do something that you want them to do. आप उनसे कुछ काम कराना चाहते हैं तो आपने उनको कुछ बोला तब वो काम कर रहे हैं, that thing is persuasion speech. Get my point? Okay, now one thing I would like to show you. Yes, we have time, so let's see if we can show you this. A minor demonstration of what exactly I told you. अभी तक हमने जो स्पीच प्रिपरेशन में पढ़ा है, इट्स अ स्मॉल लाइक वर्जन. आप लोग या तो ये ऑन कर दीजिए या फिर आप लोग लॉग इन कर लीजिए. Thing before the class end, the chart paper presentation you'll be giving. If you want to write something on your chart paper, write slogans. ठीक है, slogans or quotations, you can write them in big fonts so that some of your audience will be able to see them, or you can explain it. ठीक है, अगर आप लिखना ही चाहते हो कुछ chart paper में, you can give slogans, ठीक है, और you can give quotations. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कह रही हूँ? Okay, so and your quotations and slogan should be related to your topic. Obviously आप कुछ भी उठा के नहीं लिख दोगे, you have to like it should be related to your topic. ठीक है, जो आपका टॉपिक है बिहार से उसी से रिलेटेड. And one more thing, what exactly did you learn from this video? Yes, the mistakes that I told you never to repeat while you're giving speech, right? These mistakes I already told you, you should not get those mistakes when you're presenting in front of someone. Okay, first thing, you have to look in the eye of the audience. It's very important. It is the main connection of the speaker and audience. Okay, if you don't look in the eyes, the audience loses interest and they get bored. Okay, no matter the content. Uska content aapne dekha, content was good in the first presentation also. Okay, he got the data right, but still it was not effective. Why? Because of body language, because of the way he delivered the speech, right? So your body language is much more important than your data. Okay, if you're giving all the data correct, even so your speech would fail if you're not including your body language with your data. Okay, you have to balance the verbal and non-verbal communication while you're on the stage. Okay, so first thing, you have to look in the eyes of the audience. Okay, make eye contact with one or two audience after every line, even if you're reading from the paper. Look on the audience one or two times when you say one or two sentences. Then after that, you can the tone of your speaking. Okay, when you relate to something that has happened in with yourself, ठीक है, आपका अपना कोई experience रहता है, when you relate those things in your speeches, your tonation already get affected. आपका tone already effect होगा, because when you're speaking about yourself, you are more emotional, right? आप अपने बारे में जब बता रहे हो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको क्या चीज फील कर रहे हो जब वो चीज हुआ था आपके साथ, जब वो इंसिडेंट आपके साथ हुआ था तो आप क्या फील कर रहे हो. तो आप फीलिंग्स के साथ जब बोलोगे, then emotions get attached to your data, and that gives more interesting speech. Okay, good. No, you can include that in between. Yes, you can include that in between. Even if you're telling at the last, doesn't matter. It only recaptures your audience attention. ठीक है, अगर बीच में आपने बहुत सारा डाटा दे दिया है तो ऑडियंस इधर उधर देखने लगेगी, they lost their attention. But if you're relating the if you're keeping the story in between, then if you're starting very good, then a story will capture your audience attention. So even if you're giving too much data at the end, they will still hear you. Okay, any more doubts? Okay,